Alright, so yeah, I just uploaded bass fishing part 2. So this is technically gonna be bass fishing part 3, not a very long video. I just wanna explain really what went on. And so my brother and my sister, they got bass. I did record it, I just really didn't want to put it in because I didn't want to edit it. And yeah, well, we broke the net, and it was way bigger than when they normally are. My dad, like the biggest one he's ever caught, about 19 inches. Mine was 40 inches, and I'm gonna roll some pictures of the thing right now. Right now. Roll the goddamn pictures! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, there's the pictures, and wait, what was I gonna do next? Woo! Woo! Jesus! Oh, wait. No, that wasn't gonna do that. I was gonna do something else. Oh, yeah. No, seriously, though, I was actually gonna play the clip of where my brother and my sister get their bass. So let's do that now. He is? Oh.
I'm just making him let him swallow it.
Hook him.
I want to reel him.
Did you get it?
He's too big. We can't.
Oh, you got him now. Oh.
Ready?
If she gets the biggest one.
Oh, yeah.
If she gets
Hold on.
This is 3 bass. 3 bass.
Hold on, don't
In,
reel
on,
yet.
we got 3 bass in less than. When?
Okay, now reel.
Maybe what did we do? Catch the other one 15 minutes ago?
Okay.
Are you recording, Jaden?
Yes.
Biggest stupid bat.
Come on, Kenzie.
Next one's Mummy's.
Oh yeah.
And then Dad.
Technically, we could all get one. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we are.
Hey, girl.
I told you we'd come home with some.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Okay, don't reel. Just let him go. He's gonna pull some line.
I can hold the rod for her.
No, I got it.
Well, you're gonna have to go down there and get it. So someone's gotta hold it.
Oh.
Okay,
Should I reel
do some
it?
reeling, yeah.
Oh. Holy crap. That's big. What the? Want me to hold the rod, Dad?
He looks like a giant highlighter from over here.
He does.
Get it? I don't want to do it. You do it. Record that.
Jacob, come here. You're reeling this one in if we get it.
There's nothing there.
You sure? Are you sure?
Here you go, Jake.
Oh my God!
Record Jake. Do it. Record
Pull it.
Hold him up. Hold that rod up.
Are you freaking
Stop for a
serious?
sec. Okay, now reel.
Record Jake.
Come on, Jake. You can do it, dude. Oh my God.
Him?
Yeah.
Go easy. Keep your rod pointed out this way.
Pull it up. Are you freaking serious? Pull it up, Jake. You gotta pull the rod up. 2. Literally 10 minutes ago, we had a bass on that rod, and there's
Told
a.
you, this is when you get him,
Help
Lota.
him. Make sure he doesn't lose it.
Are you serious?
Okay, wait, now don't
Don't
reel yet.
ruin the
Let him
video.
go. See, he's pulling line. Okay, now reel some. Crank, 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 crank.
Is he
crank,
freaking-
crank. Now stop.
How?
Ready? Now reel.
Real, Jake.
Reel.
What?
Reel hard. Now stop.
Well, I guess more intense battle music. I thought this video was over.
Now reel. Reel hard.
He's gotta. You
Okay,
gotta.
whoa. Let him go.
Yeah.
Is this another big man? That's how I'm gonna freak out.
Okay, reel.
If it's bigger than mine, I'm probably gonna push you in the water, Jake.
Why?
Because
You probably.
he's like right there. Let's see if.
Okay, stop. Stop. Let him go. Let him run. Oh, this is a good one too.
What?
Oh, Jake.
Okay.
Jacob, you're gonna go in the. Jacob, you're going in the water. If you get a bigger one than me. To be honest, I don't really.
Oh, yeah! What's that? That's another big one.
Move out of the way, Caden.
Where's the net?
The net's broke.
Oh.
Okay. I'll just go down and get him.
Holy crap! Oh, that's not that big.
Good job, Jake.
So if you guys like this bass fishing kind of part 3, I mean, we're not really bass fishing, but yeah, we're gonna be doing some fishing videos, possibly. I don't really know where to look because it's on the phone, but yeah, I'll whenever I upload again, I'll let you guys know. See ya.